this class. So today we're gonna make a small game. It's called snack. So basically, snack gonna eat whatever the apple is located, and whenever it reaches the apple disappear at a random position and show up, and also the snack gonna increase its body size. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I have create a sprite for the snack of the hat of the snack, so we don't need to worry about how to draw that. So but then let's code it. So in order to make the whole body move, let's have a green flag first. When the flag is clicked, we're gonna make it move. Okay, so let's just make it for 5 seconds and see what's gonna do for us. So now it's moving upward, right? But things like currently my sprite is facing to the right, but it's moving to the top, so it's not exactly what we want right now. So we're gonna do something on the sprite. So move to the custom. So now let's select this whole body, and I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna like rotate it. Okay, so now we see on the right hand side it now is facing to the top. Now let's back to the code and run it again. So now it's moving to the top as we expected, right? So that's good. So now let's move to the next. So we also want to control its body, this snack, right? So let's get if statement first, and whenever we press the key, it's here. Whenever a key is pressed, okay, up is pressed, we're gonna change to the direction. Okay, now whenever up key is pressed, we're gonna ask it to facing to the top. All right, so now let's duplicate another one. Whenever it's going down, we want it facing to the down, 180. Same here. If we want to go right, gonna facing to the right, which is 90. And finally, go to the left. We're gonna move to negative 90. So now let's test this code. So it's okay. So whenever I press to the left, it's moving to the left. Up, right, down, and left. Okay, now it can move as we expected, which is good. So in the game that we have a body, right? We have a body. Then this is the point of this game. How do we make a body move along whenever it moves? So now let's create a clone. So we also got a forever loop first, and now let's create a clone of myself. So now let's see what we have right now. Okay, so now we'll create itself all the time, but it never, the tail should, okay, there's a glitch, but the tail should always follow to the head, right? So the tail should disappear somewhere, like whatever show here. So the body should disappear here, right? Depends on how long the body is. All right. So now let's back to here. So for now, we have the whole body, but it's never got deleted or never got disappeared. It just stayed there. So we have to think about a method to delete that part. So now whenever I create a clone, I have to delete that clone at some point, right? But now let's add this directly. So see what we have right now. So it's not showing body at all. Why is that? Because whenever I create a clone, I delete that clone immediately. So basically we are not creating, even though we created, but we delete that after, right? So that's not exactly what we want, but we are on a good approach. So maybe we can try something. Wait 1 second. See what we have. Okay, that's 1 second. Okay, this is what we expected to see, but